Here, as you can see, pumpkin spinach. Do you know what is this? This is actually pumpkin spinach. And as you can actually in this vocational training center, there are some spinach. For example, uh, water spinach and Malabar spinach, and then beta melon, and then pumpkin spinach. Nothing else. And there is a rope made of bamboo, and maybe in this vegetable, oh my God, here also what have spinach and Malabar spinach, and Malabar spinach are growing, as you can see. They are already above the roof. So guys, as you can see behind me, there is a banner. Have a look at the banner. This banner is saying that opening ceremony, livelihood project, training women for poor families and handicrafts for self-sufficiency in Bangladesh, 2023. Actually, it's going on 2024. However, maybe it was it was old one, and it's really old one. This banner is really old one because here 2023, as you can see behind me, and here they wrote a skill development training center camp 17 and population movement operation PM Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. And as you can see behind me, have a look at the banner. Actually, this is run by this vocational training center run by Qatar Red Crescent and Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. As you can see over there, there are two logo, Kizilai and Qatar Red Crescent and Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. Qatar Red Crescent. So brother, এখানে কি কি করে?
এখানে হচ্ছে যে মেয়েদেরকে সেলাই মেশিনে ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় আর কি মেয়েদের সেলাই মেশিনে ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় এখানে
Actually, they train women here how to sewing clothes, and there are maybe there are so many sewing machines here. এখানে কি machine আছে?
হ্যাঁ অনেকগুলো মেশিন আছে
There are so many sewing machine here. You can see behind me. There is a small way, and over there is a toilet. Now I'm going there, and I'm trying to show you what is there. As you can see, there is a road. Actually, he looks after this vocational training center, and he's really diligent. He's really diligent. He works hard. So you can see behind me, there is another room. Actually, in these rooms, they train women and young girls. They train women how to sew clothes, and how to plant vegetables, and they also train on hands. As you can see behind me, this is actually located in Kutubalang Refugee Camp 17.